How to create an event on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook app and make sure to sign in. Navigate to three-line icon at top right corner once you're on the home page of Facebook. Now you have to scroll down. Then you will find the events option. Select that. If you don't see events on your menu page, you can tap a see more and find it. Now tap plus icon at top right corner of your screen. Now here you can easily pick a GIF or you can easily upload from your gallery to choose your event's background. You need to enter the event name, start date and time. You can add the end time as well. If you wish to repeat the event, select that. And here you can enter the UTC. And now you need to simply enter is it in person or virtual and choose your audience on who can see it box and add the details for your events. And after following all the or filling up all the information, you can easily choose create event button and create an event on Facebook. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.